Welcome to GTR Socials. In this video, I'll show you how to get instant likes on your Threads posts. First, head over to gtrsocials.com and go to the Threads likes page. Choose the service that fits your needs and simply type in the number of likes you want. Next, copy the link to your Threads post and paste it into the box provided. Now, just sit back and watch as the likes start rolling in, all in just a few seconds. That easy. You can see the instant boost in your engagement right here. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your boost in visibility with GTR Socials.